Chapter 11. Here we look at extensions. One of the major reasons why Postgres is so popular is because of its extensibility. Extensions in Postgres are powerful modules that enhance the core functionality of the database system. They allow users to add new features, functions, and types without modifying the database's core codebase. These extensions can be sourced from various places, each serving different needs and use cases. The first one is the contrib module. These are officially supported by Postgres development team and are included in the Postgres distribution list. These are maintained by the Postgres Global Development Group and are considered stable and well-tested. The next is PGXN. It stands for PostgreSQL Extension Network. PGXN is a central repository for Postgres extensions. It is similar to cpan for Perl or PyPy for Python. It allows users to search, browse, and install extensions easily. Extensions can be installed using the PGXN client. The next is GitHub or other Git repositories. GitHub hosts numerous Postgres extensions developed by the community. These are custom developments. So before installing these extensions, we need to test it thoroughly in lower environments. We also need to be aware about the compatibility of specific version of extensions with specific version of Postgres. This is particularly important when considering PostgreSQL upgrades. This slide lists some of the top extensions for DBAs. Almost all the databases I have seen and managed has the pgstat extension enabled. It is used to capture various useful statistics of SQL statements, which we saw in the demo of catalog chapter. There we use this extension to see statistics of the queries which we ran during the workload. We saw useful information such as total execution time, average execution time, shared block hits, etc. for the queries which ran in the database. The source of this is the contrib package. Similarly, we have other extensions such as pgrepack. This is similar to the vacuum full, which releases the space back to the operating system level. But in pgrepack, it does it without holding exclusive locks on the table. Next is pgcron. It is similar to the DBMS scheduler in Oracle, which is a job scheduler to schedule Postgres commands directly from the database. pgpartman is for automatic partition creation. In Postgres, when we create range partitioning, future partitions are not created automatically. We need to rely on cron jobs or use pgpartman. pgaudit is for enabling auditing on the database. pghintplan is in case we need to pass hints to tune the queries. We will cover this in detail along with the demos in the performance tuning chapter. pgprofile is an extension where we can use to create Oracle-style AWR reports in Postgres. We will look at this too in detail along with a demo in the performance tuning chapter. Note that only the pgstat statement is included in the contrib module. All the remaining extensions listed here are either from Git or PGXN.